Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys iqoo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to on and use screenshot sound. Friends, you're going to use your iqoo phone guys screenshot sound. So how to on and use screenshot sound on iqoo phone today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So first of all guys, we will on phone setting to use screenshot sound. So friends, after on phone setting guys, friends, you can see guys with this type of interface on your iqoo. So friends, click on guys your iqoo sound setting. After on sound setting friends, you can use your sound and vibration setting. There are many settings guys. Vibrate for call setting, notification vibration, do not disturb. Friends, you want to enable, you can enable from here. Friends, you want to set, you want to change your phone ringtone, notification ringtone, alarm ringtone. So friends, you can set from here and you can change it. Friends, other sound and vibration setting is dial pad tone, screen lock sound, phone charging sound, touch sound. So when you will on touch sound, so when you can use the touch sound when you will tap on your buttons. So guys, you can use the touch sound. So friends, you can see screen capture tune means screenshot sound. So guys, we will on and after on guys, friends, we will take this screenshot and friends, you can use your screenshot sound. First guys, let me increase volume and friends, now you can see screenshot sound. When you will take a screenshot, you can use guys screenshot sound. And friends, you don't want to use guys screenshot sound guys, again guys, open your phone setting, click on sound setting, again scroll it. Friends, click on screen capture tune guys, tap here. So friends, now you can take a screenshot without any sound. So like that guys, we can on and use screenshot sound, and friends, you don't want to use guys, you can off. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt related to guys your iqoo sound setting, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye.